Hello, my friends. Welcome to our alphabet celebration. As we sing our Reading ABC song, you'll notice something special about one of the letters behind me. This will give you a clue as to which letter we're celebrating today. All right, let's get our rhythm. I'm going to slap and clap on this table. You might be doing it on your floor. Are you ready? Here we go. A, B, C, A, B, C, D. E, F, G, E, F, and G. H, I, J, K. L, M, N, O, P. Q, R, S, T. U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Reading, yes, reading begins with these. Did you notice something special about one of the letters behind me? Do you know which letter we're celebrating today? If you said N, then you are right. Put your hands together and clap and cheer loudly as we welcome the letters N. Yay! Welcome, Big N and Little N to ABC Preschool. We are so happy you could join us today. Big N, we're grateful for you because you show us when words are important, like in a name or a place, and we see you at the beginning of sentences. And Little N, we adore you because we see you the very most when we read and when we write. Let's sing a song about the sound the N makes. I'll go first, and you listen closely as I sing 3 words that begin with the N sound. Here we go. Let's do it. All right, you ready? You're listening close. The N says N as in nose. The N says N as in nose. The N says N as in nose, net, and 9. The N says N as in nose. Okay, did you hear 3 words? Good job. All right, now you sing it with me. Let's begin by making the sign for the letter N, and our sound action is touching our nose. Here we go. The N says N as in nose. The N says N as in nose. The N says N as in nose, net, and 9. The N says N as in nose. Good job. Okay, so nose, net, and 9 are 3 words I chose that begin with the N sound. Of course, I chose nose because it reminds us of our sound action. And then net and 9 are just words that I liked. Do you have any words that you like that begin with the N sound? What about you, Big N and Little N? Do you have any words that you like that begin with N? You do? Let's take a look at some of those words.
Nose. Ninja. Nurse. Notebook. Noodle. Nap. Necklace. Nuts. The letter N.
Let's write the letters N. Now take a look at them closely. Are they kind of the same or kind of different? They're very different, aren't they? Big N has straight lines and a slanted line, and little n has one little straight line and then a curved line. Let's make them in the air first, and then I'll write them on paper. So get your hand ready. Here we go. We're going to start with the big N. All right, we go straight down, slant down, straight up. Let's do it again. All right, straight down, slant down, straight up. Good job. Lowercase n, straight down, curve around and down, straight down, curve around and down. Well done. All right, I'll write it on the paper now. Here we go. Uppercase N, straight down, slant down, straight down. Oh, he didn't match up. He's supposed to be right there. Straight down. There it goes. And lowercase n, straight down, curve around, and down. Big N, little n. What do you think? Do they look like our N's? Yeah? What do you think, big N and little n? They do? Thank you. I tried my best. I got a little off on that, but that's okay. Inside this box, I have something I'm so excited to show you. It begins with the N sound. I'm going to give you 3 hints. You listen closely and see if you can guess what it is. The first thing is it's a house. It's a home. Do you know what it is? Second thing, that the thing that lives in the home will lay eggs in it. Oh, I'm thinking you probably know, but third hint, just in case you need one more hint, we found it up in a tree. You can often find them up in trees. Do you know what it is? If you guessed, so great, a nest, then you are right. Let me move this bag so you can see this nest so well. This is an actual nest that was made by a bird. He wasn't using it anymore, so we brought it here to preschool. But look, there's even a piece of yarn in there. Isn't that wonderful? Nest begins with the N sound. Big N and little n. Thank you for joining us at ABC Preschool. We have enjoyed writing you and singing about your sound and seeing cool words that begin with the N sound. And thank you, my little friends. As you go throughout your day today, see if you can find something that begins with the N sound. This may give you some ideas. Take a look.
The letter N. N, nest. N, narwhal. N, night. N, notebook. N, nose. N, necklace. N, noodles. N, nap. N, nuts. N, now. N, numbers. N, nurse. N, net. N, no. N, nuggets. N, necktie. N.